back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you the most stunning, stylish, and high-end luxury homes from across the world. Today's tour is something truly extraordinary, a modern masterpiece designed in a silver and white theme, blending elegance, comfort, and modern architecture into one breathtaking dream residence. From the drone view to the last bedroom, every inch of this home speaks the language of luxury. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this spectacular property together. Our journey begins with a cinematic drone flyover, where the full house design comes to life from above. The silver and white palette shines against the clean landscape, while the LED lights tracing the exterior create a glowing aura around the entire property. The swimming pool, positioned perfectly beside the main structure, adds a resort-style touch, reflecting the sky like a luxurious silver mirror. With its sharp lines, symmetrical design, and elegant proportions, this home stands as a true modern icon. As we move closer, the grand entrance welcomes us with tall glass doors framed in brushed silver accents. The moment these doors open, you're greeted by a double-height foyer that instantly sets the tone for the rest of the home. The marble flooring, soft LED glow along the ceilings, and floating staircase make the entrance feel more like a luxury hotel lobby than a private home. The atmosphere here is clean, bright, and deeply inviting, a perfect blend of style and warmth. From the foyer, we step into the living room, designed with an open-concept layout and framed by large floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. The furniture is modern and elegant, upholstered in spotless white with metallic silver accents. The marble center table, matte silver decor pieces, and minimalist lighting fixtures all come together to create a picture-perfect magazine-style living area. This is a space made for hosting, relaxing, and enjoying the beauty of the home's design. Connected seamlessly to the living area is the TV lounge, designed as a cozy yet upscale entertainment space. Soft lighting, acoustic wall panels, and a massive wall-mounted Ultra HD display make this room ideal for movie nights or unwinding after a long day. The silver and white theme continues here, keeping the aesthetic consistent and luxurious. Moving forward, we enter the kitchen, a modern showpiece of its own. From the marble countertops to the built-in premium appliances, every element is thoughtfully integrated. The cabinetry shines in satin white finish, while the silver hardware and under-cabinet lighting add a soft glow to the entire space. The oversized island is perfect for gatherings, cooking sessions, or simply enjoying coffee with a view. Just beside it sits the dining area, featuring a large modern dining table, metallic finishes, and a stunning chandelier that becomes the centerpiece of the space. Whether it's a family dinner or a formal gathering, this dining area sets the perfect mood. Next, we head towards the garage, designed with the same attention to detail as the interior. The polished epoxy flooring, LED strip lighting, and spotless silver walls give the garage an ultra-modern touch, making it feel more like a luxury showroom than a parking area. Now, let's explore the bedrooms, starting with the master suite. This spacious room features a king-size bed, elegant decor, and a private balcony offering serene outdoor views. The textures, lighting, and soft color palette create a calming environment perfect for unwinding. Attached to the master suite is the luxury bathroom, featuring a freestanding bathtub, glass shower area, high-end fixtures, and full marble detailing. Every corner feels refined and spa-like. The additional bedrooms maintain the same level of elegance, each designed with comfort, premium materials, and meticulous detail. Whether for family members or guests, these rooms offer the ideal combination of privacy and luxury. Continuing the tour, we move into the home gym, equipped with high-quality exercise machines, mirrored walls, and a clean layout that supports all types of fitness routines. This space makes it easy to stay active without leaving home. Finally, we step outside to the swimming pool area, one of the most breathtaking highlights of this property. Surrounded by white stone decking and silver pool accents, this area feels like a private resort. Whether it's sunrise swims or evening relaxation under the LED lights, this pool transforms the outdoor experience entirely. The seating area around the pool completes the space, offering a perfect place for gatherings, barbecues, or simply enjoying the open air. This home is more than a structure, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a piece of modern art. From the warm inviting interiors to the bold exterior presence, it truly represents the height of luxury living. Thank you for joining us on this tour here at American Dream Mansions. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking property showcases. Until next time, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the world of luxury homes with us.